Itong mga gatas na nabibili natin sa loob ng supermarket dito sa United Kingdom or UK, Sainsbury, Morrison, Lidl, Tesco, ay dito pala galing sa farm namin, sa mga baka na ginagatasan ko araw-araw, para may mainom silang gatas sa araw-araw. Morning. You're too early today. Yeah.
I've had to change it around a little bit.
Yeah.
You're ready for 9 o'clock, aren't you?
Oh, it's already finished. All done.
Yeah, but every time you'll be ready for 9, will you?
9 o'clock? Yeah, sure.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah. Can I take a video while the milk is transferring?
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah, yung gatas, the milk. No, from cow. Diretso dito sa tangke. Yan, yung tank. Then dadalhin doon sa planta. Then from the plant, gagawing gatas na nabibili nyo sa na nabibili sa Morrison, sa Tesco, sa Sainsbury, sa Lidl. Dami pa, lahat ng supermarket dito sa UK dito din i-distribute. Diyan guys, napupunta yung gatas namin galing baka. So starting today, you're going to pick up the milk 9 o'clock sharp.
Around 9 o'clock.
Yeah, right. It's all right. Yeah. Before 9 o'clock, we'll already finish everything.
Pardon?
Before 9 o'clock, we'll already finish everything.
You have. Perfect.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. It's a milk time.